Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I'll do this business, money raising business. Yes, very short time. Double, triple, 10 times, 100 times. Oh, all these thoughts are there. Isn't it? Ahani aprutartha karana nisi nisoyana. Nana manartha diya khyano hogno nidra daiva hotartha rasana rushayopi deva jasmat prasanga vimukha yasansaranti. Srimad Bhagavatam says, Brahma's words. Ahani aprutartha karana nisi nisoyana. Nana manartha diya khyano hogno nidra daiva hotartha rasana rushayopi deva jasmat prasanga vimukha yasansaranti. Ahani means daytime, whole daytime. You follow this whole daytime. What he does? He engages himself in various ways in this earning money. How to earn money. Everybody is engaged. Beginning from rickshaw puller, which pulls rickshaw, coolie, beginning from rickshaw puller, down from rickshaw puller, the magistrate or judge sitting in the court. Isn't it? One may be pulling rickshaw, telling hard, whole day time to earn money, and also one may be sitting in the nice room, apartment, air-conditioned room in the judge room, judge court, Supreme Court or High Court. Do you understand? All are engaged in earning money, isn't it? And thinking of day and night this money. Whole daytime they spend like that. Then, now it is evening. Let us go to our residential quarter. Take a rest now. Sleep. Ahani aprutartha karana nisi nisoyana. He comes for retirement, to retire, to go to bed and sleep. But he cannot sleep. No. His mind is haunted with this. Money-raising business. How to earn money. So many various ways, plans, projects, making. Thinking that thing, that thought is there. You follow? No thought of Krishna is there. So he cannot sleep. Nisi Nisayana, whole night. Spend sleepless night. Yes. No sleep at all. Oh, this is, if you cannot sleep, this body will become diseased, will sick. Sleeplessness is a sort of disease. Yes, then he goes to doctor. Oh, doctor, I cannot sleep. Please, give me some sleeping pills. He eats sleeping pill to have some sleep. Statistics, somebody has collected some statistics, especially in the Western world. These sleeping pills are so much sleeping pills are used in one night. One body has collected statistics that you accumulate all sleeping pills like a Himalayan mountain. One night, so much. Sleeping pills are utilized. You cannot sleep? What sort of life it is? Nisi Nisoyana. Why? Because these thoughts are coming to the mind. Oh, this business there, that I started there. Oh, it is running loss. Oh, that fellow didn't give my money. So much things come. Nisi Nisayana. Nana Manartha Dhiya Kheno Bhognu Nidra. By chance, some little sleep comes, it breaks. And some people, they have accumulated some money, that's black money, illegally earned money. The government people have eyes on him. Oh, Raghunath Bhatta had accumulated black money, illegally accumulated money, and is not giving proper account to government, so is not paying taxes, so we must catch him. Do you understand? We must catch him. Do you follow? And some others are there. If somebody has money, do you follow? Suvarna, gold. Gold is place of Kali. Parikshit Maharaj gave 5th place to Kali is gold. It's gold money. Very good bank balance. Many enemies are there, many enemies. Stab him, kill him. Take his money, do you understand? Thieves coming, robbers are coming, murderers coming. Highway robbers, robber. Those who do robbery in the highway. Do you understand? They are coming. Government people coming. And he is always afraid of. His money, cannot sleep, that fear is there. So he has kept dog, Alsatian dog, greyhound, to guard his black money property. And during night time, he sets loose his dog. Somebody comes down, bark. Down by chance, little sleep, dog bark. Oh, the thief came! Oh, government people came. The sleep, no sleep, breaks. Nana Manartha Dhiya Kheno Bhognu Nidra. By chance, little sleep, it breaks. What life it is, Nana Manartha Dhiya Kheno Bhognu Nidra. Daiva Hotartha Rachana Rushayo Upidiyeva Jusmat Prasanga Vimukha Yasansaranti. Making so many plans and projects. Expert plan makers, those are very expert plan makers, they are making plans. But it fails. Because ultimate sanctioning authority is Supreme Lord. Anumanta, Upadrashta, Bharta, Bhokta, Maheshwara. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, I am Anumanta. I am the sanctioning authority. You may have gotten sanction from government. Yes, government has sanctioned my project. Yes, government may have sanctioned. Krishna has not sanctioned, it fails. Krishna says, I am Anumanta. I am the ultimate sanctioning authority. If Krishna has not sanctioned, then do you follow? Is all everything spoken here in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Who is your well-wisher? Srudam Sarvabhutanam Krishna, the Supreme Personality Godhead, is your well-wisher. He knows what is your real welfare, benefit. So he has given here his instruction, teachings here. Do you follow? Last thing. What is that? Verse is that another verse? There? Bhagavad Gita. I don't know. 5th, Daiva eva Panchamam. 5th. Daiva evatra Panchamam. 5th factor is Daiva. Adhisthana tadha karma. Karanamcha prathak vidha. You understand? Daiva evatra Panchamam. You may have very favorable, congenial field of activity. Do you understand? Adhisthana. You have gotten, yes. He's a businessman, very nice field. He has business field. Do you understand? Congenial, favorable. Karta is expert. Businessman. He knows skill of business. It's Karta is person. He's expert. His instrument through which it works, they all expert. Do you understand? Instruments are expert. Nice instrument. In various ways he also does his business, acts in various ways. Karanancha pruthak vidha. Do you understand? But daivam evatra panchamam. Fifth factor is daiva, providence. Understand? All things are all right. Your field of activity is very favorable. He is established in his field of activity. His instruments are very expert, very nice instruments, modern instruments. Yes. Well equipped. Do you understand? Subordinates, those working, they are also very faithful subordinates. In different ways he acts also. Everything is there. But Daivam evatra panchamam, fifth factor is Daiva, providence. If he does not sanction, business fails. Do you understand?